We're going to go into a prayer to the Creator. We'll call the angels in, and we'll have our first transmission around clear senses. And then, of course, we'll open it up after that to your Q&A. Subscribers have priority for questioning. However, literally every single The Angel Dialogues, someone who is a first timer gets to ask their question. Creator, command to be connected to the angels that are of the highest vibration, that are in alignment with the Creator's vibration, that are in alignment with the truest version, the truest source of who and what each of us have always ever been. For the highest and best good and the highest and best way, I command to be connected with these angels. Thank you, Creator. It is done, it is done, it is done.
Why are you wanting to be with us? Why are you wanting to be with us? You have been asking so many questions. We are wanting to be where you are, even when you feel sad, even when you feel jealous, even when you feel not enough, even when you feel overwhelmed. You are all things, and there is no thing to fear. Each of you has been wanting to be here. You are feeling that you have gifts that you are wanting to develop. Each of you are asking about what you consider clear senses. Some of you are able to smell psychically, like Rachel. Some of you are able to know and stand in your knowingness around what your gifts are and why you are here. Each of you has been able to somehow navigate what you have experienced, and yet you are wanting to know so much more, and you have been so excited to learn everything you have wanted to learn. And we are here to say to you, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not develop every part of you that can sense everything that you have always been? Why not? Why not? Why not you, we ask? Why not you? You are very talented, each of you. You have come to your knowingness of who and what you have always been. And yet you are suffering from so many voices trying to tell you that you are not what you are. Why are they saying these things, you ask? Because they are scared to be all that you are. Why are they scared, you ask? Because they are not wanting to see their own power. You are all things. You have no thing to fear. Anything you see as fearful or in need of fearing is something you are projecting from inside. And there is no fearful bone in your body, nothing to fear. Only that which you have believed needs to be so. Listen again, nothing to fear, only that which you believe needs to be feared. One is an opinion, and one is truth. You are asking about the sense of sight. Seeing psychically, as you say. Rachel is wanting to turn the music down. You are asking about, why can I not see things like other psychics are seeing them? We are wanting to say to you, you do. You just have experienced in your mind that other psychics are seeing things differently than you do. You see them as actually seeing things with their eyes. Yet they are not. They are sensing as per the word clair sense. They are sensing what things look like. They are sensing what things smell like, what things sound like, what things are sensing. And the more they experiment with this gift, as you say, the more they develop confidence to know that what they are seeing is true for them. The most important thing we are wanting to express today is that there is no universal truth. Wait, what are you talking about? There is no universal truth. There is no universal truth outside of your own. You have literal control of your entire experience of life. Every aspect. Even that. Even that. Even that. Sometimes Rachel takes her students, she likes to call them, in a meditation where she takes them up above the clouds, out into the stratosphere. And then she takes them into different dimensions with their mind, and she takes them above what she calls the layer of the laws, where all universal laws exist. And then she takes them with their minds above the law, through the law, and above, outside of the law. And she tells them when they get there, you are above the law. You have created the laws yourself. Now, what law would you like to create now? You are all things. When we say you have nothing to fear, we mean it. You are asking about clairaudience. How can you know that what you are hearing is true? You are needing to reprogram. You have that you are someone who speaks in a manipulative way. You have that you are someone that says things that you don't really mean. And since you are the vessel, since you are the conduit of the divine, it can only come through a filter that is, I am someone that does not speak my truth. How do you expect to feel confident in God's message, in the angel's message, if you are not confident in yourself speaking your own truth? You cannot be. So we invite you to reprogram your mind with us now. You can repeat after us, each of you. I create the possibility that I am someone. We are going to slip this in because we want to. I am someone who is so amazing. So amazing. So amazing. No, it's so amazing. 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 We are laughing with you. We have so much fun with each of you. We love you so much. We are where you are, whatever you are, wherever you are. Each of you wants to channel us in this way. And yet, some of you feel scared around that. Some of you feel scared as you feel that you will be possessed by demons and negative entities. And we say to you, if you are wanting to know who you are connecting with, you are simply needing to be very clear about who you are calling through. Very clear and very detailed. What you can say is, I am calling in a love that is the love of God, the love of the divine, the love of the creator of all things, pure and without judgment. And in this way, you will call through truth. What you call through energetically is related to what you attune to. A radio station, you are wanting to turn the dial to something that is very intentional, not simply turn it on and listen to whatever, right? So if you are wanting the energy of truth and the feeling of goodness and the feeling of love and compassion and knowingness and safety, focus on these energies before you call any other entity through. Focus on, I am calling through the love that I'm focusing on right now. I am calling through the compassion and the grace and the love and the cherishing and the belonging and the all the things that you are calling through. Focus on that energy, and that is only what will show up. Nothing else will be able to fit through the door because you are not attuned to that frequency. Do not try to channel when you are not feeling great at first. At first. Rachel can channel anytime, and she knows the vibration of who she is calling through, so she can not feel good and still call through the vibration she is wanting. But at first, when you are practicing, focus on what you are wanting to feel and ask whatever comes through to attune to that energy in order to be able to talk and speak with you. We are wanting to get back to our program. You can repeat after us. Take a deep breath. Don't smile, not even a little bit. Don't you? No, no. Very funny. We are loving you. We have always loved you. We will always love you. You can repeat after us. I create the possibility that I am someone who sees myself as someone who sees myself as someone who only speaks my truth. Ever. And if I do not speak my truth, I do not speak. And I know what that feels like, to genuinely see myself as someone who sees themselves as only ever speaking my truth. Because nothing else will come out of my mouth. And I know what that feels like. See what we mean? Nothing else will come out of your mouth except for your truth. And here is an important part. Just as we were saying before, around your truth related to universal truth, you can change your truth. If truth comes in and truth says that you can't be married because you're not good enough, that is just your now truth. It is not your forever truth. Does that make sense? So if an entity comes through and they say, you will not get the job that you're wanting, what kind of truth is that? It is your now truth. It is not your always truth. Your truth can always change. But your truth is showing you what you believe now. And it is important for you to know so that you can understand why it is you have not experienced the experience that you are wanting to experience. This is all for our transmission around clairsenses. We would love to share so much more for you, but so many of you are excited to speak to us about other things. We are wanting to speak to you a little bit more about something else. Wait for it. So sorry we fell asleep. There we go again. We are having so much fun with you. We are wanting to speak with Terry. Terry, why are you wanting to be with us?